What if your events lived on your own site and people actually showed up? No redirecting to Eventbrite, no losing them to Facebook, just your community, your events. Eventonomy turns your WordPress site into your own events hub, a calendar, a list, or both, so however people like to browse, every event is easy to find. Someone finds an event they love. One page shows everything they need: date, time, location, who's hosting. One tap and they're in. RSVPs just work. People say going, maybe, or no, and bring their friends along. Sell out? A waitlist kicks in automatically, so nobody is turned away without a chance. Your members don't need your help to run an event. They create it themselves, right from their own dashboard. Title, date, cover photo, done. Running the same meetup every week or a workshop every month? Set the schedule once. It repeats itself, automatically, forever. Ready to charge admission? Sell tickets with multiple tiers and early bird pricing, and get paid straight through your own site. Once people are registered, reaching them is one click too. Message everyone who's coming. No separate mailing list required. Meetups, workshops, conferences, coaching cohorts, retreats. Whatever you're bringing people together for, it fits. Eventonomy. Events and RSVPs for WordPress.